Hi, I'm Miss Emily at the Rogers Public Library and welcome to Homeschool Explorers. This year we have been looking all about outer space and now we are talking about every planet, and this week we are talking about Neptune. Neptune is a super cool looking planet. It is a very interesting blue color you can see in this picture. And in your pack I've put this information about Neptune. You can follow along as I read, or you can just listen, but I'm going to read this to you so you can learn a little bit more about Neptune. Neptune. Neptune is dark, cold, and very windy. It is the last of the planets in our solar system. Neptune is very similar to Uranus. It is an ice planet made of thick fog of water, ammonia, and methane over an Earth-sized solid center. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane gives Neptune the same blue color as Uranus. Neptune has 6 rings, but they're very hard to see. And Neptune also has a really long journey to get around the sun. It takes 165 Earth years for Neptune to go around the sun one time. And that is way longer than the Earth's year, which is 1 year. So that is a really long year. And it also has 13 moons. So that's a lot less moons than some of the other planets, but today our craft is going to be looking at Neptune's moons. So you have a star page and then a page with this says Neptune with Neptune. So you cut these two out and glue them to your page. You have 13 circles for the 13 moons. So you're going to glue those around in and it'll look something kind of like this, where you can see Neptune and all of these circles are the moons. And now in real life, the moons aren't necessarily exactly round, but for this craft, I made them exactly round because it is easy to think about a moon that way because our moon is really round, and it's easier to cut out the circles that way too. So you have that as your first craft. And then your second craft is the one we have been doing every week in this program, where we are going to cut out the circle, fold it in half, glue all of them together to create a 3D model of the planet. I hope you have fun doing these crafts and learning a little bit about the planet Neptune. Thanks for watching.